everybody, this is Becky Liggero of CoinGeek.com coming to you direct from the London ExCeL, which is where the London Blockchain Conference 2024 will be going live soon. To ensure that everybody arrives in good time and with zero stress, here is a quick guide to arrivals and orientation. The event will be taking place at ExCeL East in Capitol Hall, so if you're taking a taxi or a car, this is where you need to go. If you're hopping on public transportation, here are the steps that you need to follow. If you're traveling on the DLR, you'll need to head to the Prince Regent Station, where you will follow the flags and find London Blockchain Conference 2024. Easy! However, if you're traveling on the shiny new Elizabeth line, you will need to head to the Custom House Station. This is on the other end of the ExCeL, but also a great option if you're looking to get your daily steps in. Follow me. You have arrived. Here's to an amazing London Blockchain Conference 2024, and I can't wait to see you there.